In December, we crossed the border with a caravan and settled in San Felipe for a few days before continuing our almost 2-month adventure down the Baja Peninsula. We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife band.
After a once-in-a-lifetime experience swimming with the whale sharks in La Paz, we headed south just a little bit further to Tecolote. El Tecolote is a great spot to camp on the beach for free. Back at Playa Tecolote. We have arrived at Playa del Tecolote and I'll probably be here for a few days. We'll see. Pretty nice today. I guess it's the best day it's been this week. Beautiful views. And this is our spot for the night.
Not too shabby.
Nope. When we arrived at Tecolote, it was a beautiful afternoon. Gio and Rich went for a snorkel. We just had a unique experience
for dinner
at Tecolote.
Yeah, we decided to.
We ate at Beach Club Tecolote with Allie and Gio.
Decided to go down, walk around, see if we can find a margarita, and then maybe just some easy food. And so we got lured into one place.
Our amigo is forcing us
Being held hostage here at this restaurant.
at Tecolote.
Make sure you send money.
Beach Club Tecolote. And nombre?
Hey, oh. Hey, welcome to the Tecolote Beach, the restaurant Tecolote. My name is Big Nose. Big Nose?
Gracias.
And then 3 shrimp tacos. Yeah, we gotta have.
We should get the whole menu, Gio. We should get everything because Big Nose wants a big tip. Big Nose wants a big tip. Buy it all.
Right. Okay, so we're good.
Más comida. Sí, quiere todo.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Oh, wow. He just upselled us.
Yeah.
Jesus was a crack up and he upselled
Everything.
and we were just gonna get hors d'oeuvres and drinks and we got I think 3 meals and nachos.
But the entertainment value is good.
Yeah.
Wow, you pulled off the mango. Muchas gracias.
You have a...
Salud.
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 No.
¿Quién tan rápido como yo?
Tan rápido. No hay nadie así. He said, who is as fast as me?
Who was this? What?
Who was as fast as me?
Yeah, I mean, it was amazing. When he served our food, totally took me off guard because all of a sudden you hear a whistle and he comes running with our dinner.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Hey.
Oh my gosh. She's good. ¿Hay baños?
You hear three options. The sea, the trigo.
The hard no.
The greenhouse. Oh,
See.
everybody say, your mind is enjoy.
So $35 a couple, including the tip. But hey, we have free camping the last 2 nights here, so worth
Oh yeah,
every penny.
it was great entertainment.
Even though it was cold. Check, please. We're really cold.
Coming at you.
I think I'm done.
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 Holding it.
Oh, feels good here.
How was the service?
It was good.
Oh, your service is excellent.
Remember my name,
Yes.
Senor Big Nose.
Big Nose.
Dinner and entertainment. You guys gotta finish those.
Jesus,
Robin.
Robert,
Rich.
Rich,
Alex.
Alex.
Okay.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Had a great time, even though it got a little chilly.
All good.
We enjoyed a beautiful sunset at El Tecolote. We spent a beautiful night at El Tecolote. No wind, wind free. Woke up to a beautiful sunrise. Ready for a beach day. We had 2 great nights at El Tecolote, one very calm evening and one that was a little windier. So after staying 2 nights, we headed further south for a stop in Las Barillas before splitting up with Allie and Gio while they stayed to explore more Las Barillas and search for surfing. We headed to Cabo Plomo for some snorkeling and scuba diving at the national park.